Hello friends, welcome back to my channel English with Menika. How are you doing all? Hope you all are doing great and you all are practicing your English every single day. So before diving into the session, I just want to request all of you guys make sure watch this video till the very end. So basically what is the topic? The topic is how to speak English fluently. Yeah, so this is the today topic and I'm going to discuss about this topic very simple and very easy way. Okay, so let's get into the video. So what is fluency? First you have to understand what is fluency, why you want to become a fluent, and what do you understand about fluency. Yes, first we have to understand is what is fluency. Fluency, it doesn't mean you are going to speak English very fastly, you have to speak English very fastly. No, फ्लुएंसी का मतलब ये नहीं होता है. Fluency, it doesn't mean you are going to use lots of fancy word in your conversation. Every time you are using new words in your conversation, long words in your conversation. No, it's not like that. If you are considering those people as like fluent, they are using fancy word in their conversation, they are speaking very fast, so I don't think they are very fluent in their in English. Because if you are using fancy word, if you are speaking very fastly, but whatever you want to convey the message, then other people not able to understand. Because speaking very fastly, it's not the best way. Yeah, so whatever you are speaking, try to speak a normal speed, try to maintain normal speed, and try to use simple and like familiar words. Yeah, no need to use all the terms fancy word, otherwise people get in dilemma, and all the time they are in illusion, and they will feel like it's very typical. How can I understand and how can I speak? Because all every time we are just getting new words and we are stuck somewhere, we're not able to understand whatever the message any particular video they provided. Okay, सो फ्लुएंसी का मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि आप बहुत स्पीड बोले, बहुत सारे वर्ड्स यूज करें. नो, what is fluency? It means you have to speak in a normal speed, but make sure you are using very simple words and very familiar word in your conversation. Day by day, very gradually, when you will feel like I have to use any new words, then you can pick one by one, not pick lots of word in a single video. Okay, and try to explain any particular topic in a precise way. That is very important. Whatever you message want to convey, make sure your way of speaking is very clear, your message should be very clear, then people able to understand. So I think this is the fluency. Nowadays people, they are just rushing behind, want to speak English fluently, but they don't know how to speak English fluently. They just want to speak very fast, they just learn they're just gathering lots of words, every time words, idioms, phrases, and using their conversation, and they're not able to understand what I am saying. Yeah, when we are having conversation with stranger, maybe they are beginner and they're not able to understand whatever you are speaking. So what is your benefit of speaking with them and using the advanced word? So try to use very simple, very calm, but make sure focus on your pronunciation, focus on your grammatical mistake. Yeah, that is very crucial for every English learner. Because grammatical mistake, if you have a knowledge and you, if you are able to rectify your mistake, if you are able to improve, that is, I think, fluency. You will get the fluency. But first you should focus on your pronunciation, your grammar part, and try to speak slowly. No need to just go and complete your task, just rush behind the speed. No. And the third thing, when you are speaking with anyone, okay, when you are speaking, try to complete your speech very simple way, very calm way. Okay, And when you are going to cover any kind of particular topic, okay, like I'm going to talk about my best friend, so what you have to do, you can find related words. It means whatever you are going to speak, first you should write down in your copy. That will going to help you a lot, because while speaking everything will not come in our head, okay. And after 2 to 3 lines you will get stuck. So what you have to do, like when you are going to speak any particular topic, so first you have to write down in your diary, ठीक है। आपको अपनी डायरी में पहले लिख लेना है कि व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू स्पीक। आप उसे लिखिए, उसे प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, एंड देन यू आर गोइंग टू स्पीक इट। अदरवाइज इफ़ यू आर थिंकिंग without practice, without writing, without learning, you will able to speak, so it's not possible very soon. And within a 2 line 3 line you will feel like I am fumbling somewhere, I'm getting stuck, I'm not able to deliver my thought as I want, okay. So before having a session, before having a conversation with any stranger, with anyone, you have to complete yourself. It means you have to prepare yourself. That is very important for all of us, because without preparation, how you will give your best, and how you can expect I'm going to complete this task properly? It's not possible. So guys, focus on learning, focus on remove your mistake, focus on banish your hesitation. Don't run behind a speed, don't run behind just learning every time fancy word, new words in your conversation. So I hope, thank you so much, you guys understand what I'm saying to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find any kind of learning in this video, please give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, and stay connected with me guys. Thank you so much. Till now, bye bye. Take care.